components and what are the sources of these components. Now we are going to study about next is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet simply means a diet which includes all the component of food which are required by our body and which helps our body to develop and grow. For this, the definition of the balanced diet is the diet which contains all the component of फूड रिक्वायर्ड बाय द बॉडी. हमारी बॉडी में जितनी भी रिक्वायरमेंट की जो चीज़ होती है, जो भी चीज़ आप लेते हो, हमने कंपोनेंट वी हैव ऑलरेडी ट्रीटेड अबाउट कंपोनेंट्स. व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स? कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, वाटर, proteins. These are the component of the food. When we take all this component in a proper amount of our diet, that diet is known as balanced diet. Balanced means equaling things which we have to take, which we are taking as a food. So this is the balanced diet. In balanced diet we must include our main things, main group of the part like milk group, protein group, Carol's group and fruits and vegetables. This all groups makes a diet balanced and equal all the requirement of our food, and our body is included in all these groups. First group is milk group. You should always eat some product of milk, like you can drink milk also, or a byproduct of milk like curd in your diet to maintain this group, to maintain this vitamin, to maintain this requirement of our body complete. Next, in protein group, to take protein in our body, to take diet protein include in our body, we could include protein by the help of beans, meat or other things. Beans, meat, nuts and etc. are the things which includes protein in them, which complete our diet by providing protein to us. Next is Carol groups. Carol groups includes rice, bread, chapatis. This includes the Carol group and this provides our body energy, carbohydrate, protein and extra things which make our diet complete. Next is fruit and vegetable. We always take some fruit and vegetable in our diet. We include them so that we can get instant energy, and the requirement of our energy like proteins and other vitamins we get from the fruits and vegetables. After this, next is obesity. What is obesity? Obesity, simply in simple words we can say that obesity means fat, getting fat. When the weight of somebody's weight increases more than his age, more than his or her age, or the weight included maximum, the weight of his body is included in the obesity. Obesity means the excess storage of food under the skin in the form of fat. As we all know, like cholesterol, in our day so many people are suffering from obesity. Small children, adults or older ones, all are suffering from obesity. What is obesity? Obesity means, simple means मोटापा. जब कोई भी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्दी नहीं, इट मीन्स मोटा हो जाता है कि आपकी बॉडी जो है, आपकी बॉडी का जो वेट है वो आपके रिक्वायर्ड एज से बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. तो इसको हम किस में डालते हैं? ओबेसिटी में डालते हैं. एज इट इज़ ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड दैट इफ समवन हैज़ it is already BMI is a body mass index. According to that, a scientist or some persons decided that if the age of some person is 20, then its weight must be under 25. Its age is 20, then his or her weight should be between the 40 to 50, so that it is the required weight. If someone increases, then its weight, if someone is of a age of 20 and its weight is included above the 50, then he is included in the category of obese people, that is obesity in him. This obesity brings so many diseases in body. When a person's weight increases day by day, then he will become lazy, he will not do any work, then the working of the body becomes slow, and the processing they may infected by so many diseases build in themselves. So this is the obesity makes a person fat, and this is the loss of the things that you should do not eat so much. You should not eat excess amount of food, so which can harm your health. After obesity, next is deficiency disease. Deficiency disease means the diseases which is developed when there is deficiency of something in our diet. If you do not take a proper amount of carbohydrate, protein, fat, then your body shows some type of diseases. This is known as a deficiency diseases. First in deficiency disease is the malnutrition. Malnutrition means the when a body does not get right amount of nutrients. When you take your food, when people eat their food, but they did not contain all the component of the food which is required for our body. They only eat the food which does not contain all the required material, all the required nutrient, then the person may suffer from malnutrition. Their body do not work properly, they become weak, they become stressed, they do not get energy, so they work like the body becomes thin. This is malnutrition. Second is undernutrition. Undernutrition means food intake in less than required. When you eat, you have a capacity of eating 2 chapatis, like you only eat 1 chapati. This is the undernutrition. Then you eat less than that what your body requires, then this may cause many deficiency in our body. First is deficiency of carbohydrate. When you do not eat carbohydrate and when you do not include carbohydrate in your diet, then which type of diseases you can suffer and what happen to your body. If deficiency of carbohydrate occur, if you do not take proper amount of carbohydrate, then your body become lack of energy and the stamina. Your body become weak. And your energy get loses. Less energy you get, stamina quantity of your body get loses. This is the effect of carbohydrate, deficiency of the carbohydrate. After that, deficiency of fat. If you do not take a proper amount of fat in your diet, then your skin become rough, thin and weak. Rough skin, your skin becomes so rough, which can easily get cuts. The body becomes so weak, it becomes thin. After that, deficiency of protein. If you don't take a proper amount of protein, then the 2 diseases may cause vesiocor and Marasmus. Vesiocor and the marasmus are the diseases which are caused due to lack of protein. In this, vesiocor disease is mainly seen in the age of children which are under the age of 5 years. They mainly suffer from the under the age of 5-year children are mainly suffer from this disease. In this, their body becomes so weak and the symptoms are like the body become dark, scaly skin, protuberted belly, their belly comes out, legs become little swell, legs get swells, loss of appetite, they becomes weak, the mental weakness, the mental health reduces. This is the vesiocor disease, which is mainly seen in the children which are below the age of 5 years. Second is marasmus. Marasmus is also a disease which is caused due to lack of protein. In this disease, these 2 diseases are mainly seen in the children which are under the 5 year. When they do not take proper amount of their diet, they do not take a balanced diet, they do not take proper amount of protein in their diet. In this also the children becomes lazy, their body become thin, their eyes become swollen, muscles become weak and the poor mental growth, their mental health do not grow properly. After this, next is the deficiency of vitamin. Vitamin, we know there are so many types of vitamin, vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, K and vitamin E. 5 types of vitamins are there. Every vitamins have its specific function and its specific disease. If you do not take proper amount of vitamin A, then you may suffer from night blindness. Night blindness is disease related to the eyes in which person cannot see at the time of night. In this, eyesight becomes weak and eyesight become weak. So to overcome this disease, night blindness, you should take the fruits, the vegetables which are rich in vitamin A like apple and other things, so that your eyesight becomes more, eyesight increases and this disease may be reduced. Next is vitamin B. In vitamin B, the disease is caused by beriberi disease. Beriberi disease is related to the mental health, mental nervous health. In this, people feel so many sleepy, they always do sleeping, they always feel lazy, they always want to sleep. In this disease, so to overcome this beriberi diseases, you should always eat a proper amount of food which are rich in vitamin D. Next is vitamin C. Vitamin C is always related to our teeth. Vitamin C is related to causes our teeth, muscles, gums. This causes scurvy. Scurvy disease is related to the gums. Gums which are teeth. Teeth के जो हमारे gums होते हैं उससे related होता है. In this bleeding gums, you may see when someone is suffering from disease scurvy, their teeth become weak and their blood come out from their teeth and the body becomes. They start losing their teeth. Blooding gums are there. Increases लो हीलिंग ऑफ वॉन्ट्स के ठीक से डेवलप नहीं हो पाते, वीकनेस, पेन इन द लिम्स, all this cause when the scurvy disease occurs. After that, vitamin D. Vitamin D is related to the bones, teeth and our body which is made up of calcium, like rickets. Rickets is a disease which is related to the bone. In this, the bones, the leg bones of the people, the leg bone of the children get slightly inverted, slightly formed inside the, slightly inverted towards the one another, and then their legs become unshaped. In this to overcome this vitamin D ricket disease, you should eat always the things which are more, which is related to the things which like milk, fish, egg. This sunlight, this all provide us vitamin D. To increase vitamin C capacity in our body, to increase vitamin C quality in our body, we should always eat citrus fruit. Citrus fruit means fruit which contain some citrus like lime, orange, grapes, lemons, tomatoes. All these are included in the citrus fruit, which increase the quantity of vitamin C in our body. After that, our next is vitamin K. Vitamin K is when the deficiency of vitamin K occurs, then the hemorrhage disease cause is the excessive bleeding. When you get a small cut on your body, your body may release so many, the blood comes out in so many amount, that is a hemorrhage disease. To overcome this disease, you should always eat the green leaf vegetables like spinach, cabbage, so that your body can form the required vitamin, get their required vitamins. Next is deficiency of minerals. As we all know, our balanced diet includes some minerals also like calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine. In calcium is related to the ricket disease, which is caused due to the vitamin D or the loss of our body. Is mainly calcium is in our body is present in the teeth and bones. Our bones and teeth are made up of calcium. So we should always take the food which is rich in calcium, so that we can avoid the weakness of bones and ricket disease. Next is phosphorus. Phosphorus is also related to a ricket disease, bones and teeth. Iron is related to the anemia. Anemia is the disease of the blood in which your blood becomes pale, body becomes yellow, fatigue, nails become white, loss of weight, swelling in hands. All this occur in the anemia disease. To overcome this disease, you should always eat the things which are rich like carrots, pulses, green leaf vegetables, so that the iron quantity of your body may increase. Iodine is related to the goiter disease. Goiter disease is caused when you do not eat proper amount of salt, like our fish and salt is the main source of iodine, which helps in reducing the amount, which help your body to fight against the diseases which are related to the iodine. Next and the last is the deficiency of water. As we all know, our body, 70% of our body is made up of water, so we should always take water in a proper amount, so our body can get increased. All the components of food, all diet, balanced diet, everything, nutrients, minerals, all properly work when they get proper amount of water. Our energy and our stamina may also increase due to the water. If you do not take proper amount of water, then your body become dehydrated, or your body causes dehydration. Dehydration means the loss of water in your body. When your body needs water but you do not provide it proper water, and you get, what happens, your body becomes weak, you may fall down, you do not have stamina to do work, your body do not function properly. So to avoid this dehydration, doctors gives ORS. ORS is the oral rehydration solution, in which glucose, sugar and extra things are given to the person so that the quantity of water in their body may increase. So we always have to take proper amount of water, so that in our daily in a day one person should drink 7 to 8 glasses of water, so that the required amount of water by their body may be fulfilled and their body work properly. So this by this our chapter number 2 has been completed. Now you have to write all this in your notebook, and the question answer will be provided to you, and you have to make a proper notebook so that you can write proper question answers, proper things which whatever taught in this videos. Thank you.